Vikrama and from the College. This is my presentations. Let's start. This is topic about software engineering. In this topics we will discuss about verification and validation. Now we talk about software engineering. Barry Williams was known as the father of American software engineering. He was born in 16 May and he was dead on 20 August, and he was American software engineering, and he is a professor of computer engineering and industries in software engineering. He's also worked on a TRW professor as a software engineering, and he was getting education from engineering university in Saudi California. Now we discuss about our topic. My topic is about V model. V model is not a new generations, but it was developed by 1979. Was in American variants Bolens. This is a diagram of V model. Now we discuss about what is V model. V model is a software development process model. It is in phases that the parallel relationship between the development and testing phases. It is known as a V models because it is a V in-shape diagrams. It is demonstrated the process of development on side and the corresponding testing activities on the other sides. This is diagram of V model. It is shaped like a V structures. There has two phases. There is a validation and other side is validation, verification and validation. Now we discuss about what is verification. Verification is a process of evolution work process, not actual final processes of development phases. It ensures that they meet a specific requirement. And validation is a process involves the final products of ensure that the meet of business need to requirements of the end users. Means verification एक ऐसा प्रोसेस होता है जो हर रिक्वायरमेंट को एनालाइज करता है, देन वो उसका फीडबैक देता है. इसमें वी मॉडल होता है कि हर स्टेप में वो एनालाइज करेगा, देन उसका फीडबैक देगा. और ये एक्सटेंशन है वाटर का, और ये एक इसमें एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन होता है जिसको अनदर नाम हम कोडिंग करते हैं. वेरिफिकेशन से प्रोसेस होते हुए कोडिंग फेज में जाता है. कोडिंग फेज के बाद वो वेलिडेशन में जाता है. जब हमारा कोई सिस्टम टोटली वर्क करने लगता है, ये टोटली जब प्रिपेयर हो जाता है तो वो वेलिडेशन चेक होता है. और जब वो स्टेप वाइज द प्रोसेस वो कर रहा है, स्टेप वाइज उसको हम चेक करें तो वो वेलिडेशन होता है. There has many advantages and disadvantages of V models. Now we see advantage: clear and well-defined phases, easily to detect and detect defects, and it is also a time savings. And there has also many disadvantages. It is an inflexible in changes during the development process. It is a late prototypes development. You see that there is many advantages and disadvantages. That's all. Thank you.